What are percentages? Let's watch and learn. Percentages represent a part or proportion of a whole, like your battery percentage. Actually, percentage is expressed as a fraction of 100. For example, if we have 20% here, that would be 20 over 100 in fraction form. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now, let's get straight to equations. How do we actually find what number is a percentage of another number? If you get what I mean. We won't be using 100 for this one, sorry. Let's just use the number 534 as an example. For the percentage, let's use 25%. If you want to find what number is 25% of 534, we should divide the percentage by 100. That makes it 0.25. Afterwards, we should multiply 534 by 0.25. That would give us 133.5. Now, we know that 133.5 is 25% of 534. There. That's the process. It's the same process with all the other percentages, so don't worry. Wait, what if we want to determine what percentage a number is to another number? Let's use 17 and 20 for this. Now, the question we have to answer is what percent of 20 is 17? Firstly, we have to divide 17 by 20. You basically have to divide the smaller number by the bigger number, which is the whole. 17 divided by 20 is 0.85, and all we have to do now is to multiply that decimal by 100. That makes it 85. So the answer is that 17 is 85% of 20. There you have it. I hope you learned more about percentages now. Thank you for watching, learners. Have a great day. I do hope you guys enjoyed my video. Keep learning.